In today's video, I'll show you how to restore deleted files in Dropbox. Perfect for when you've accidentally deleted something important and need it back fast. Start by going to your Dropbox homepage. On the left-hand menu, click Deleted Files. Here you will see all your deleted items. Use the checkboxes next to each file to select what you want to restore. If you want everything back, click the top checkbox to select all. Once your files are selected, click Restore at the top of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click Restore again to bring your files back to their original folders. And just like that, your files are recovered. Keep in mind, Dropbox keeps deleted files for a limited time, usually up to 30 days for basic accounts. Make sure to restore any important files before that window closes. Knowing how to restore deleted files can save you from a lot of stress and lost work. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, like, share and subscribe for more Dropbox tips and tutorials.